to say, I didn't think he had a terrible night. I didn't watch, but... All right, here we go. Gridiron Kings number 7. Holy crap. 93 points. That's crazy. Good luck. You had to be kicking yourself. That hurts. Montana. Manziel, a.k.a. Johnny Football. Cooper. Hopkins, Fitzgerald, aficionado, Perryman, ooh, Randall Cobb, Stat Kings auto. 19 of 49 for the Packers. Eric, H-I-L. Ty is going to kill you. Nice hit, Eric. Randall and Bradshaw. Bortles, Tarkenton, Golden. Oh, that cracks me up. I know it's not really funny, but it kind of is. Foles, Orchard, and Bell. Smith, Sammy Watkins, new aesthetic, Matt Jones, that was a real nice hit there, Eric. Can't believe you stole them from Ty. Jeez. Blunt, Harris, Dupree, Murray, Matthews, Expressionists, Walford, Jones, Staubach, Royal Performances, Williams and Largent. That is the greatest movie of all time. The Sandlot. Rodgers, Peyton, and Thompson. Definitely been loaded with some Packers, hasn't it? Oh my goodness. Ty Montgomery, jumbo jersey. Another hit for the Packers. Eric, H-I-L. 46 of 249. Look at that. Oh. Ty's going to come through the computer screen. Freeman and Stallworth. Last pack. Oh my goodness. I don't care who you are. That's funny. That is really funny. Foles, Favre, and Hardy. There we go. That'll be it for Gridiron Kings. Well, Eric, you know how